You, like me, might have just received an email from Miss Pianka saying that you should put your printer materials on hold when they go to the printer. And you, like me, might be going, I think I've done this before, but I don't remember how. So I am going to quickly go through it because I figured it out, so I thought I'd share. What you do is go down here to the Start button on your laptop and go up to Settings. And from settings, you're going to open your devices, printers and whatnot. And if you don't have the computers yet, you will click, go to printers and scanners over here. I have already added these, so I would go to printer number 38, which is the one upstairs, I believe. I'm going to click Manage, and then Printing Preferences. And at this top drop down here, when I first opened it, it said normal print. I'm going to change that to hold print and then click OK. And then I'm going to go back and do that the same thing for number 105, which is the other new printer I've added. I'm going to go to Printing Preferences and I'm going to click Hold Print. There's a lot of other stuff on here. Don't really know what it all is for. But maybe I'll visit that another time. So then I go back and I have those two set. If you don't have those printers yet on your computer, you would go up here to add a printer or scanner and then scroll through this list of all of these printers that may or may not really exist until you find 5532 print 105 and 38. Then those get added to your computer so that they are then available to you. So hopefully that works for you and is helpful. If not, find someone else or come find me and I'd be glad to help. Bye-bye.